Hello everyone, my name is Sunitavdi Saravanan. I'm from Group 11. Our group's research title is Soviet Gas Pipeline Explosion,
which is the most monumental non-nuclear explosion and fire ever seen from space. All of this was achieved without using even a single missile or a bomb. Only by a few lines of program code this mission was carried out. The objective of that operation was to place by a spy in a Canadian software company so as to obtain a management software system for new gas pipeline. It is also known as the Operation Line X for the KGB department charged with stealing technological secrets from the USA in the 1970s and 1980s. They also stole metal parts, software, blueprints, and thousands of documents that contain information about radar system, computer system, machinery, and semiconductors.
Hello everyone, I'm Tamari Selvi Kobalan. I would like to share some info regarding the causes of software defects. Silent threat is one of the cause for software defect. Well, it supplies change poses characteristics that make them very difficult to protect and provide the attacker with an advantage. They are also complex, dispersed around the globe, interconnected, long and made up of numerous logic links. Routes are not regular and there are different layers of outsourcing. The second defect is infected IP address. It is about a malicious code is inserted into hardware or software elements during the manufacturing process, which to be utilized when the modified hardware or software elements have reached their final destination.
Some blackworm virus is a computer system bugs that will paralyze military system. Refineries and pipelines will explode, air conditioning and traffic light control system will collapse, the data of the financial system be scrambled, the electrical power network of the eastern USA will be paralyzed and control over satellites will be lost.
Now I'm going to tell you about the action need to take to stop the explosion. First, the construction is very poor, and the next one is they need to check the safety measure, and they also need to practice a digital pipeline system, and also they need to know which equipment give that sound. And the last one, they also use a suitable software application rather than they use a manual one.
Faced in SDLC when the accident occurred. So based on the history that was told by my friend, it can be said that the Soviet gas pipeline explosion occurred during the deployment phase. So with the presence of the Trojan horse in the gas pipeline, it able to double the actual pressure and causing an explosion to occur. So the lesson that can be obtained by this accident is that the Russian Federation should more alert on their security and also always check their programming code and make sure that there is no sabotage from outsider.